In this discussion, you can see how to create one-to-many field data type in brief. In case you missed previous video related how to use many-to-one field, please check, link is given in description. First you need to understand is like how to use one-to-many field in Odoo and what is the data structure from backend side. Here you can see database diagram. One is a school table and another is a student table. In school table having one primary key which is ID and type is integer, and it will auto create while creating new records in school model. And another is students, like you can see here there are three fields: ID, school ID and name. So basically ID is a primary key and type is integer, and another one is a school underscore ID which is a foreign key and type is an integer, and this foreign key is linked to this table. So this is a one and this is a many. In our previous video we already discussed how to create a many to one field, and we already created one many to field in student profile which is school underscore ID, each student having specific one school ID. So now we are inheriting this school model and we will create one field which is a one-to-many of this student model. So whenever we are going to front end side as a GUI side, in form view you can see a list of registered students which is belong to a specific school. So that will having us some good idea like how to create one-to-many, and the basic concept of one-to-many you can understand here. So you can see here like this is a school dot student profile. This is a model and we already registered one many to one field which is school dot profile, and in front end side you can see list of students is here, like almost 8 records is here. Like this XYZ student is belong to first school, ABC student is belong to second school, and so on. So whenever we are going to school profile, and if I'm going to here in school profiles, we have to use one-to-many field here, like one school having a many students. So this concept you have to fit in your mind, and now we are going to create one-to-many field inside school.profile model. So you can see here this is a school model and this is a student model. Here you can see in manifest file we have to register one dependency of this school model. In student profile we already added the school.profile, so class in our further videos we will discuss about this metadata about the model. So here we have to use as a school underscore list, this is our field name, equal to fields dot one to many, and then after what we have to do is here we have to use a model name like this school.student model name which we want to visible in school profile. We already added here. Now what we have to do is in student profile having one many to one field of this model, so we have to register that model that field name here in string parameter. So here you can see this student profile having many to one of this school.profile model, and this one is a field name, and this field name we have to copy and we have to paste here, and then after again we have to use one more attribute is a string which it will help us to generate a label name school list. Now we have to go to in views part here, and we have to add one more form view. So we are inheriting one form view inside school underscore student model. So I am just copying and paste. School underscore extend profile. We will discuss about how to extend or inherit specific view part in further discussion. You can just focus on one-to-many field here. And now we have to register this school underscore list profile here. Now you can see, first of all, we already add one field in inside Python file, also extend one model, and then after in view part in XML side we already added one form view and extend that field. So now we have to do is upgrade the module. So I am upgrading from backend side. When going to front end side, here you can see only those records which is belong to first school, and here you can see there are two columns visible from student profile. One is a name and another is a school name. And here you can see there is one link is available, add a line. If I'm click here, it will pop up one form view, and here I can add student name. Here if I click here, it will save and automatically close this pop-up message. Then after you can see by default its school name is not visible, but when I'm trying to click to save button, it will automatically save under first school. You can see here, if I'm click again 1 2 3, if you have a multiple students and you want to register one by one, then you can just click save and it will automatically save here, and this form view will be blank. Again you can try like 1 2 3 as a student name. You can click here and it will register here, and this button is discard. When I will click here, this pop-up will disappear, and once I will click to save button, you can see here it's registered this registered two records. So we already registered from school profile, and now we are going to student profile. You can see here list of students are here with school name. Now we are creating new record from student side. I'm just selecting third school, click to save button, it will save this record. Going to school, in third profile you can see here. So it will automatically add based on the selected many to one field. There is only one magic. First of all, we have to register many to one field in student profile for school model. In school model, we have to define one-to-many of this student profile along with registered many to one school profile field. That's it. And then after Odoo automatically recognize that field and it will populate data from GUI side, so no need to do any extra customization and all. In our next discussion you can see like how to customize this form view, list view inside this cool list. Also discussed about attributes related one-to-many in Python side as well as in XML side. So I hope you understand basic concept of one-to-many field. In case you have any doubt, please comment below, and see you in next video.